Ọlọ́run má bàgbà yìí jẹ́ fún wa.
Yoruba culture comes to limelight in Liberia as Oba Ogunkoya celebrates first Coronation Anniversary. Although Liberia is regarded as a war-torn nation in West African coast, the Yorubas living in Liberia are conscious of this, and despite that, they live peacefully and proud to showcase their rich culture and value, which serve as a platform of unity. Having showcased their cultural heritage and value to their West African brothers and sisters in Liberia, the Yorubas residents in the country, under the leadership of His Royal Majesty Oba Ogunkoya, the Odua Gbadewolu I, first Oba of Yorubas in Liberia, made a bold statement on Yoruba tradition with all-inclusive celebration of first-year coronation anniversary, for which he became Yoruba Oba, installation of chiefs, Thanksgiving service and get-together party. His Royal Majesty Oba Ogunkoya, the Odua Gbadewolu I, the first Oba of Yorubas in Liberia, used the platform to appreciate the presence of those that graced the occasion, the monarch noted.
Speaking today, to rejoice, to fraternize, to share the joy of this day with me. May you never experience sorrow in your life in Jesus' name. Amen. Yoruba is moving ahead. For all of us that are present here today, I want to assure you that we should please join hands as Yorubas, as Nigerians, as Liberians, to have a common focus, a common agenda that will uplift and lead all of us, that at the end of our sojourn in Liberia, we will be able to say we have achieved this much. I want to thank all of you here today. Today is not a day for long speech. Yes, together in Jesus' name. Yeah. For all of you that have left all of your busy schedules to celebrate with me today, to rejoice, to fraternize, to share the joy of this day with me. May you never experience sorrow in your life in Jesus' name. Amen. It is a wonderful day. I bless God for today. Àsìkò àdúrà tó. Èmi Ọba Ogunkoya, Oòduà Gbadewolu I, Ọba àkọ́kọ́ tó kọ́kọ́ jẹ ní ìlú Liberia, and the only king recognized so far. By the divine grace and majesty, I hereby pronounce today, gbogbo ẹ̀yin Yorùbá tẹ́ ẹ wà níbí lẹ́ni tẹ́ ẹ bá mi ṣọdún yìí, a jọ ṣàmọ́dún o. Gbogbo onílé, gbogbo àlejò, ìwòye àmọ́dún ànípẹ̀dí o. Ìgbà alẹ́ wa rojú, ọ̀nà wa bàyè, wàhálà ìdààmú òní bẹ́ẹ̀ni kọ̀ọ̀kan wá o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa rí o. Nítorí pé àwọn alálẹ̀ ẹ̀fẹ̀, àwọn tó kọ́ dọ́gba nígbà ìwáṣẹ̀, wọ́n ní kí n máa lọ ní kò ní séwu. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé àwọn ọba àti ìwáṣẹ̀ ló dé mi ládé èmi Ọmọbọ́lájí, gbogbo èyí tí mo sọ lẹ́yìn àrò mọ́ o.
Speaking at the ceremony, the Honorable Member at the Upper Chamber of Capitol Hill, Monrovia, Honorable Muna, shed more light on the significance of the event with our correspondent saying, Nigerians are united, their culture can never be forgotten, and their culture is highly respected. Also, the President's Nigerian Community Descendants Union in Liberia, Elder Uche, advised Nigerians in diaspora to be law-abiding, saying,
I will advise you to be a law-abiding citizen of this nation. We're here for a purpose, and face that purpose that you come here.
But Nigerian government representative Mr. Muhammad, head of Nigerian Embassy, Liberia, required Nigerians to patronize their goods and services home and abroad, just as he noted that.
Members of Nigerian community, friends of Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, I wish to thank the Almighty God for allowing us to witness the first anniversary of your enthronement as Kabiyesi. I wish also to thank Kabiesi for using his God-given position to bring both the Yorubas and other ethnic groups together. The embassy, I wish to say, adores your contributions to the progress of Nigerians in Liberia. When we look back to last year when you were enthroned, we are surprised to see what you have been able to achieve in this short period. You have cemented the relationship between the embassy and other members of the Nigerian community, as well as among other ECOWAS communities living in Nigeria. We therefore pray for your continuous long life and successes in bringing us together.
The Speaker, Elder Uche, the President's Nigerian Community and Descendants Union in Liberia, urged all Nigerians in diaspora to be united in all communities they find themselves in the world, saying peaceful coexistence attracts unity, development, and stability. The ceremony was graciously attended by all Yorubas in the city, including Vice-Chancellor, Taishilara University of Education, Ogun State, Professor Yemisi Obilade, represented by Professor Ladipo, Mrs. Ogunsoya, also Dr. Obasanjo Faniro, Director at the National Planning in Abuja. Also in attendance were Dr. Bola Adubi, the Yoruba community leader in Liberia, Mr. Dele Shekete, Honorable Muna Pelam, Youngblood, a member at the House Representatives in Capitol Hill, Monrovia, Liberia, Elder Uche, the President's Nigerian Community and Descendants Union in Liberia, Mr. Mohammed, Head Nigerian Embassy in Nigeria. The hundreds of Liberians and Nigerians as well as other dignitaries and national attended the 3-day first-year Coronation Anniversary held at the Golden Gate Hotel, Helwa, Painesville, Liberia of Ogun State, born Oba Ogunkoya, who projects and promotes the culture and traditions of Yoruba and Nigeria in diaspora.
But I think it has to be an issue of destiny. Maybe I'm destined to be, because if you place on an aggregate value to say you want to apportion figures, I am not the longest staying Yoruba in Liberia. I am not the wealthiest. I am not the most well-read. But I think it has to do with destiny, because before I became the Oba, I was elected as the Are or the President of the Yoruba Community and Descendants Union. And because of the vision, innovation I brought to the organization and the dynamics, we did a lot of things. And when the issue of the last Odua we celebrated in 2016 came, and I said to them, look, we have been in Liberia, most people outside Liberia does not even know that Yoruba existed in Liberia. Can we do new things? Can we change the dynamics? Can we let the whole world know that there are Yorubas in Liberia? And the organization said, yes, let's go ahead. And I had to do all within my power, financially, socially, and all that you can think about it, to realize and make sure the Odua was successful. To the point that we have to do a specialized Ashwebi that we call Lapa in Liberia, that are specially printed from China, that everybody on that day was dressed in. And it was one of its kind. It was during this process of going around to Nigeria, soliciting for help, trying to open all the Yorubas in Liberia out, that I got in contact with the paramount rulers in Ijebu and Abeokuta. And most of my close associates are affiliated with the Egba Kingdom. And they linked me up with the paramount ruler of Egbala, Oba Badebo, and through about Muslim Olupede, the Olu of Itori, the Olu Joru 1. And I explained all that we intended. They said, that's a laudable one. After my second and third week, they asked me, do you have an Oba in Liberia? I said, no. They said, well, if you don't have an Oba, I think when we go there, we would like to institutionalize the Obaship. I said, well, that's not a decision I can unilaterally take. It has to be the collective will of the people. And when it came for the program, a week before the program, there were consultations, there were meetings with the elders of the community, the executives of the communities, and I was unanimously put forward to be the first Oba of Yoruba in Liberia.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ni Ọlọ́run má bàgbà yìí jẹ́ fún wa.
má ó láàrin.